In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam VR error code 450 in just a few simple steps. Whether your VR headset refuses to connect properly or you keep seeing that frustrating error message pop up, don't worry, this fix will have you back in the game in no time. First things first, open the Settings app on your PC. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once you're in, head straight to the Network and Internet section. This is where we'll make a small adjustment that often resolves connection-related issues with Steam VR. Next, click on Wi-Fi if you're using a wireless connection. You'll see a list of available networks. Find the one you're currently connected to and click it. Inside the network details, look for network profile type and make sure it's set to private. This is important. A private network allows your computer to communicate freely within your home network, while a public network restricts that communication and can cause connection issues with Steam VR. Once that's done, it's time to jump over to Steam itself. Open the Steam app on your PC and click on the Library tab at the top. In your list of games and tools, find SteamVR. When you spot it, right-click on it and select Properties from the drop-down menu. Inside the Properties window, click on the Betas tab. You'll see an option to choose a beta program from the drop-down menu. Select SteamVR Beta Update. This option often includes the latest patches and fixes for known issues, including error code 450. Once you've selected it, Steam will automatically start downloading and applying the update. Now, for one more crucial step, check your firewall or VPN settings. Sometimes these security tools block the connection Steam VR needs to function properly. Try temporarily disabling your VPN or firewall, then restart Steam VR and test it again. If the error disappears, you'll know the issue was being caused by one of those protections, and you can adjust their settings accordingly. After making all these adjustments, restart your computer and launch Steam VR again. You should notice that the error code is gone and your headset connects smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Steam VR error code 450 and enjoy a seamless VR experience once again. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.